How to set up a screen lock on an LG phone. A screen lock on a smartphone is a security feature that prevents unauthorized users from getting into the phone and accessing its data. When a screen lock is enabled, each time you turn on your phone or wake up the screen, you will be asked to unlock it. Setting up a screen lock on an LG phone is easy. We'll show you how. Go to Settings. Tap on Lock Screen and Security. Tap on Select Screen Lock. Choose a screen lock type from the list, including None, Swipe, Knock Code, Pattern, PIN, Password, or under Biometrics, Fingerprint or Face Recognition, if applicable. Note that None or Swipe offer no security protection. To set up the screen lock, input your chosen lock pattern, PIN or password, and then re-enter it. From then on, use your chosen lock type whenever you need to unlock the screen. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.